Welcome to my dorm! Come on in! Hey guys, so in today's video I am going to be doing the long-awaited dorm room tour, so I am very excited for this video, so let's just get started. Alright, so we are actually standing in the little hallway that you just walked into my dorm. So to the right of me, or the left of you guys, is my other roommate's dorm, because I'm actually in a quad, so we have 4 people living here, and then my side is over here. But first, let's just go into the bathroom. So when you first walk into the bathroom, this is what you see. Thank goodness our bathroom is actually a very decent size. So we just have a giant mirror right here, and then we also have this storage unit that we got for the toilet, because honestly there's not much storage in here, but we made it work. And you guys come in a little bit closer. And then over here is where our shower is. I actually got this curtain from Bed Bath & Beyond, and this is just our shower. There's little like fishes over there, and then I keep my stuff over here on the shower head, and yeah, it's pretty good. It's a shower. It does its job. Also, here's where we keep like our towels and face wash and stuff like that. So yes. And then just down here is the toilet, but that's gross. So let's move on to the room next door. Okay, so as you guys come around the corner from the bathroom, this is the little walkway entrance to our side of the dorm. So we have these little mirrors here that my roommate got. I don't really know where she got them from. You guys can probably find similar ones at like Target or something. And then she has these little like lights, which I do think are from Target, not really sure. But then we're gonna go into my side of the dorm. So I don't think I'm in focus at all. Over here is this wall. So I have little hooks where I just have like my ID, my wallet, and her umbrella. And we also had a really cute like poster board up here, but it just kept falling off the wall, so unfortunately it's not there anymore, but it used to be super cute. And then over here is my closet, and also down here is our little food pantry where we keep like our bowls, our laundry detergent, some Keurig things, and yeah. And then over here is my closet. So mine is actually a closet with a bar. In the other room they have like storage units for them, but in my closet I really like my closet, not gonna lie. So I just have some little cubbies here that I got from Bed Bath & Beyond. Actually 90% of my furniture that I bought is from Bed Bath & Beyond or Target. And I just have a little like drawer that I actually had in my room in brown, so I bought it in gray for our theme. If you guys can't tell, our theme is gray with blue and pink accents. And then on this side here, over here is where I have like my jackets for the cold fall season. And then I just have like some shirts that are hanging, some skirts, and like nicer dresses. And then down here, you guys can kind of see it in this frame. I'll do like a close-up of everything too. But this is where we keep our mini fridge, because girls gotta eat. That is my closet. So I got this curtain rod from Target, along with the curtains are also from Target, because you know, it's a cute background as well. Okay, so then moving over here is my desk. All I really do here is like my makeup. You guys can kind of see this is where I keep all my hair stuff, perfumes, a fake plant that I did bring from home. And then I just have all my makeup that you guys saw in my makeup collection video and leaving for college, which I will try to link below if I remember. And then there's just like some photos of my friends from high school and a little calendar. And I actually got this tapestry from PB Teen, and I was originally going to put it on my bed, but instead I got this shiplap, which is pretty much wallpaper essentially, but it's like adhesive wallpaper, so it doesn't damage the walls, which is super nice. So I didn't like the orange background that was here. I mentioned that in a few videos, so I covered it with white wood because I thought that was cute. Here is where I just keep my laptop to charge. It's actually over on my bed because I was doing some work. But then this is just like my medicine cabinet, because you guys all know I'm a diabetic now, so gotta have all my meds with me. And then this is where I have all my like everyday makeup and mascara. And then in these drawers is just like Tide to Go sticks, gum, glasses, and then just like random stuff like makeup remover wipes, cotton rounds, band-aids and stuff like that. And then in the drawer below is where I keep like my hair straighteners and curlers. And then these 3 gray bins is like socks, underwear, and bras. Pretty much the exact way I have it in my bedroom back home, because why change it? Okay guys, so here is my bed, probably my favorite part of my dorm. So all of the bedding is from Bed Bath & Beyond. Mine's a twin extra large bed, and then I also have a mattress pad under because I don't want to be sleeping on a cement bed, to be honest. And then also we have lights going around the room just because it's nicer than having this big bright light on all the time. And then down here I have just all of my other like clothes. I have like shorts, basic t-shirts, jeans, yoga pants, stuff like that. And then I have a little container ottoman because it's really hard to get onto my bed. So this is how I get on it in the mornings and at night because it's just like, it's hard. I'm not that tall. I'm actually the shortest one in my dorm. And then over here is my like nightstand, but I also just have like sweaters, some pajamas, and then in the first drawer I have like my medicine, my iPad, lotions, headsets, headphones, like random stuff like that. So the last thing other than this, behind this I have like a bookshelf where I just store like stuff I'm not gonna use every day, like plastic bags, band-aids, and like a flashlight. And then I actually store my suitcase under here for when I go home or like if I'm traveling somewhere. And then over here in this white compartment thing, my roommate brought this, but we have our printer on top, which is hers, and then we have some stuff for the Keurig, which is actually in the other room. And then I have these 3 bins right here that I got from Target, and that's just where I store more snacks because I'm really hungry and I like to snack at night because the dorm food is like, eh. Yeah, we just have like 4 windows. That's about it. And yeah. Okay, so that was my room tour. I hope you guys all enjoyed. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to comment below some ideas you guys might have for filming. I might do a college like Q&A if that's something you might be interested in seeing. I don't really know. But I will see you guys next time. Bye guys!